In the heart of a bustling neighborhood, where the laughter of children perpetually resonated, a whimsical plan was taking root. It was a sunny Saturday, and Eli and Mia, two spirited youngsters, deemed it perfect for executing Operation Lemonade Storm. "Eli, do you think we'll have enough lemons?" Mia questioned, her eyes scanning the bulging bag at her feet. "Sure thing, Mia, and if we run out, we can always pick more from Mr. Thompson's tree. He said we could." Eli, always the optimist, prepared the rickety old table with a bright yellow cloth. As the morning melted into a warm afternoon, the Lemonade stand, adorned with handmade signs and vibrant balloons, attracted a plethora of passers-by. The secret ingredient? A hint of mint, which Eli insisted made their concoction the best in town. A few yards away, the Wilson siblings, Jack and Sophie, had embarked on a different adventure. Armed with magnifying glasses and a notepad, they were committed detectives for the day, deciphering the secret lives of ants. Their mission was simple yet crucial: to uncover why the ants always marched towards the big oak tree. Every now and then, groups of children from different corners of the neighborhood would swarm around the lemonade stand, mingling their tales and adventures. Laughter and chatter filled the air as glasses of lemonade were joyfully traded for stories of backyard quests and sidewalk chalk masterpieces. As the sun began to dip, leaving streaks of orange and pink across the sky, Mia and Eli counted their earnings, a modest sum, yet abundant in pride. They had planned to donate half to the local animal shelter and save the rest for their next big venture. Just as dusk embraced the neighborhood, all agreed it was a day well remembered. A day of simple joys and the triumph of kids simply being kids.